Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com for your success to girls. So how to approach single girls and single women and pull them on the same day back to your apartments. So you will meet definitely those kind of girls. Most of them you will meet at city center. Most of them you will meet at city center. Most of them will be foreign girls because they want connection. They want, they are new to city. They are up to for a guy talk to him, to follow for his leading, to open himself to. So if you, for example, will approach girls who live around your apartment, so it's really hard for you will be make same day late because they will ask you such question: are you living here around? And it depends what you will answer. So, but because of your privacy, in order to feel really well, so you're really concerned about your privacy, and it's a very good thing, to do not like fuck up your privacy. A girl, she's live, next to the building, so you do not feel comfy by seducing her. So she should live, at least, maybe 2 kilometers away from you, or 1 mile away from you. In that way, you will still have your privacy. So if you want to make same day dates, like from approach to sex, it's a very good option. Go to city center to meet foreign girls, approach them, and dominate. Just go use leading because they want to be led by a dominant guy. So so watch our products from approach to sex with 5 different girls, same day bang version 1, version 2. Both products will show you how to lead them, and once you will lead them from city center, back to your place or to a place where sex happens. So you will need to know how to escalate them, how to go for a kiss, and how to go for a fuck close. What else to say? So first thing, read our book, How to Become Alpha Man, carefully. Then watch From Approach to Sex with 5 different girls. Try to understand how we pull them, how we lead them, how we escalate, what stories we tell, how we talk to them, because those all things you will need. And then once you will learn that, change your style. You will change your style, your mindset. Then you will approach city center, meet foreign girls, and will pull them, and will make same day. Just imagine how you will feel once you will make same day, or from approach text. The feeling is awesome, and for a girl is feeling well. She will feel awesome because you will start long-term relationship with her, and she will be really happy about that. Because look, she wants relationship with you. They want relationship with great guys, and you're a great guy, and she will have great relationship. So go to Alphamantraining.com, click products, start to learn how to implement Alpha Man behavior by reading our book, How to Become Alpha Man, and watch pickup online training courses, 90 from how to dance movement, implement those steps, and execute. See you next time.